power of attorney is useful for anyone who loses their capacity due to illness or an accident, and obviously that could apply at any stage throughout your life.
Power of attorney is used if you've become incapable of making decisions for yourself or of speaking for yourself. So it's better that you've put it in place while you're still able to, and then it's ready to be used when you need it.
In relation to welfare powers, so their decisions about where you live and medical treatment, they can actually only ever come into effect in the event that you're assessed as no longer being capable of managing your own affairs.
For continuing powers, which is anything relating to your finances and your property, there are two different ways they can be put into place. You can put them into place to be effective straight away, or delay them so that they're only used if you become incapacitated or if you want them to be used.
For as long as you have the capacity to make those decisions, then you're still absolutely entitled to do so, and the power of attorney doesn't affect that.
There are guiding principles which set out how an attorney should act. For example, they should always act in your benefit, and they should take account of your wishes whenever they can.
In addition, there are certain safeguards in place. So, for example, the Office of the Public Guardian, which is the body that oversees powers of attorney and guardianships, then they have powers to investigate if your attorney is not acting in accordance with those principles. If there's no power of attorney in place, nobody, whether that be spouse or other family members, is automatically entitled to make those decisions on your behalf.
Your family may have to go to the court to ask for court-appointed guardianship powers, and that guardianship process is much longer than having a power of attorney in place, and it's more expensive. It's also more stressful for your family because they're having to ask a court to appoint them powers. An executor is somebody named in your will to manage your estate after you've died, whereas an attorney is somebody you've appointed to act for you during your lifetime.
An executor and attorney can be the same people, or they can be two separate people depending on who you feel is most appropriate for the role.